that I might present you with a little walkthrough, literally, which is the route to phantom-related parts of the opera which are accessible. Took me a while to figure out how to do that most efficiently, but I walk you through literally, and of course you can stay as long as you want at the places you like and make selfies in front of box 5, etc. Okay, this is where you currently enter after coming in. Then you walk up the steps. Left or right, doesn't matter. So, when you have entered, you go up the stairs, and then you come at the grand escalier. Wonderful for fans, of course. Maybe make selfies. And then you go up the grand escalier. I see. You can maneuver. And you can look around and back. But you can continue then to the right. Once there. And then to the right. This brings you to the open box, which is the most busy box. That's where you can look in the auditorium and look from the outside at the Phantom of the Opera box. Give me some time to get in front. And there you can find Phantom of the Opera box. Which is at the same floor, and I believe the last or the almost last. You can also look around in the box, but it's a little bit busy, so then when you come out of this box, you go to the right and you follow the boxes. And of course you can also look in the auditorium. Maybe you could use this more quiet box for that, if it's more quiet now. So this is the view from the outside. Wow, nice scenery. Really Phantom of the Opera appropriate. And of course the chandelier, which is still original, but the painting is not. But we continue our way to the left, where we end up. Box 5. Box of the Phantom of the Opera. And you can look inside. The Phantom is not really present, but okay. Then when you circle around the Grand Escalier, you can go on balconies and view from the top. But if you are at the side of the Grand Escalier and you turn that way, there is an exhibition of art. You go past the Palais of Night. It isn't something with night anyway. And you go to here. And first you pass two areas, but the third one is the phantom related one. There you can find how the original ceiling looked like at the time of the story of the Phantom of the Opera. And there is some concept art. So that is very old concept art. And here we have concept art for Apollo with his lyre, which is on the rooftop, which is not accessible, but it is in the video when you rent a tablet. Then there is a library, but it's not Phantom related, so we go out here. And we're back to the area around the loges and escalier, etc. Of course, the other spaces are slightly Phantom related because they were there around the time of the Phantom of the Opera. But if you want to make a quick Phantom related tour, that is it. So when you have gone down the stairs, you walk straight ahead down these stairs. And you can release your tablet here. And then you can go shopping. And that's the end. And if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.